Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you are live. Let me check if you guys can hear me, then we will go straight away into the charts. We'll go straight away into the charts, try to understand the certain levels, how it could perform, all the possibilities, bullish and bearish case scenario. And yeah. And market has been completely sideways throughout this morning session. It has done nothing, not a very clean first section toward any way market has done after the opening of this 9:30 morning session. Um there could be possibilities for tomorrow to trade for the bullish case scenario, maybe bearish case scenario. We'll discuss that tomorrow's weekend. Maybe market not really aggressively bullish, or maybe because it's a weekend, so market usually do not really perform. There could be possibilities market do not really perform much on weekends. Sometimes it performed as well. Last Sunday, I guess it has given us a good reaction. Not Sunday, but Saturday and Sunday. Last Saturday and Sunday, it was a good trade. There was good trades on the market which you could have taken. But yeah, this is the daily chart right now. Today's candle, you can, and this still the same thing. This is the low, could be the bottom. We have gone to the upper side inward this daily favorably gap, rejection from this daily favorably gap. Quite a bit of rejections we have shown throughout this weekend. Throughout this week, market has continued to show rejection from this daily favorably gap, and we have, you can say, and as it is like continue to show rejection throughout the week. I was like telling you, I'm anticipating these lows and this fairly gap for the market to come down, hold, and then be bullish, or it is possible could invert this level that be bullish as well. And we have seen that market has more of like going down, and market has gone down, and it has knocked all of those lows to more of like this daily fair gap has gone down into, if you can say like that. This is the thing right now I am watching or anticipating right now. Still the same thing. We have continued to show rejection. We're trading below this 50% of the range. We're looking for all of those lows to this area for the bullish case scenario. If closed above, hold upper level of 50% of the range, then we look for all of those highs as well. This could be the local top. If market has to go down, it is possible market could make one more leg up, creative wicks, knock those highs, then be down as well to all of those lows, or could be bullish as well from here, or from here go down as well toward level levels. So more of like daily price action we have discussed. I wanted to see if we have any sort of news next week. Maybe interest rate. No, we don't have much news next week. We don't not have a really uh, much news on a market. We have last week we have quite a big new non-farm employment rate. So yeah, last week of April we'll have quite a bit of news on a market we will discuss on after that. So this is the thing on, if you can say, this is news. We don't have really much news on next week. So this is the first uh, probability we have seen that. So and the next thing is today's candle, the way market has performed. Look at this. It was very choppy, very sideways. The market open. I was anticipating at least these two highs, maybe upper level of these two highs, all of those highs for the market to, for the bullish case scenario. For market has to knock, open, go down. It should not have to go below this low. But bearish case scenario, I was like, it is already trading below the 50% of this fairly gap. From here, it should have to go down, try to knock all of those lows as well. And it has done nothing today's price action. You can anticipate that because today today was a bank holiday, and today we have like the Easter is coming up as well on on this weekend. So we could really anticipate from the market that it could do nothing from today or tomorrow, and Sunday, maybe Monday as well. Market may do nothing. We have a bank holiday. We can search on. We have a bank holiday on Monday. I don't know. I think Monday we have bank holidays. We have on bank holiday. I don't know. It's 21 of April, Easter Monday, so it will be off. It is today is 18, so yeah, 21 Monday will be another market sideways. Could remain completely sideways is at this point as well. So yep, this is the first prediction we have from the anticipation from the market, and we have nothing on on news as well on Monday, and we could remain completely sideways. And because we're trading below the 50 this daily fair value gap, we can anticipate low levels from throughout this weekend or next couple of days as well. Anything can happen. So now we want to jump into 4 hour time frame. We'll go to this 4 hour time frame chart right now. We are keeping this 4 hour time frame in play. There's nothing on a chart to just discuss on. We're trading above this 4 hour time frame gap from here. We're anticipating from the market. Look at all of those highs. It has created at that point very close to each other. I'm not confident on all of those highs. Could be knocked at any point for the bullish case. Now, as we're trading up 50% of the range and above this 4 hour time frame gap, well, we are bullish. We are looking for all of those highs to that area, 50% of daily fair value gap, maybe for the upward side as well. For bearish case scenario, because we have shown rejection from the daily 50% of the range, come back down, it should have to invert this 4 hour time fair value gap, show rejection, and then we can anticipate all of those lows for the market to be knocked as well. This is the thing I am in a more of like concern thinking about from the market on 4 hour time frame, how it could perform. And if you watch out like that, we this is a range market is trading, and we're trading more of like a point of control over the range as well, where the strongest volume throughout this range is this one. Point of control, so it could show rejection and it could be going down to this value of the range as well. Same thing on a fundamental time frame. I really quickly wanted to discuss. We have all of those highs. I'm not confident on all of those highs could be knocked. Maybe not knocked today. Maybe not knocked tomorrow. Maybe not knocked Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Maybe no. I mean, market did not knock all of those highs on throughout this weekend and next couple of 4 days as well, because market is more of like very choppy and sideways. So in that case scenario, that I would anticipate or expect from the market to be more of a like a completely sideways price action possible. And then as we are trading like above this range, so definitely there should be some anticipation from the market, whatever however it is. Yes, you can say that market may do nothing, but we should have to anticipate as well. But for bullish case scenario, as we are trading above this 4 hour time frame gap, 50% of the range, we can anticipate all of those highs for the market to be now. We can anticipate closest possible highs, which is this one or this one. Maybe maybe market not know rest of the highs as well. For the bearish case scenario, all of these lows could be the reason for the market to be going down from here. Just these lows that I would anticipate for the market to go down, not all of those lows, which seems to be more of like unlikely to be knocked. On 30-minute time frame, same thing. All of those highs could be reason for the market to be bullish. We are not aiming for those highs. We are aiming for closest possible target, which is this one and this one. For the bearish case scenario, this low, this low, this low could be the reason for the market to be going. However, we're trading above the level. We're anticipating bullish price action. This was 30-minute time frame gap as well. Market tapped into that twice. One went toward upper side, and then from here we're anticipating further continuation to knock these highs and those highs as well. Not going for the bigger levels on a per second. Bearish case scenario, all of the three lows. 15-minute time frame, if you watch out how market has performed, we have bullish case scenario, same thing, all of those highs, these levels, because this is bullish airport auto block as well. 15-minute time frame should not have to go below this low. Then it should have to go up to knock all of those highs as well. From bearish case scenario, it is possible that maybe market has to come down to this area, and this range we will see if market has a potential to be bullish toward upper side. 5-minute time frame as well, we are just aiming for these highs because we're bullish. At this point, market has done nothing, and there's nothing on the charts to discuss on. This is a fair value gap market has more of like inverted. If it market should not have to go below this floor, from here, it should have to go up, knock all of this highs. But it is also possible market may has to knock the highs at this point. This is a more of a like you can say downside price action. Market just wicked into this fair value gap, going down, create another low. This is more of a bearish shadow block. From here, market will be going down to knock this low and maybe knock these lows at upper level of 30-minute time fair value gap as well. This is also possible. We cannot deny this thing. Now we go to 1 minute time frame. Now we'll go to 1 minute time frame. This if we are aiming for all of those highs for the bullish case scenario, these lows, this low and this low for the bearish case scenario, we can anticipate from the market to perform. It's a big 1 minute time frame fairly gap market has created. Could and definitely not to go above this high for bearish case scenario. Going down, okay, all of those lows, this low and this low as well for the bearish case scenario. Uh, yeah, this is how it is right now. Now I would say that like if you watch out the element of time is this one 4:34. Just an hour left for the stock market to close for the Friday, which is technically speaking today was already a bank holiday. Today market there was a stock market. I don't know in US maybe stock market was closed today. So that's where market has done nothing on after the opening of the range. 9:30 market will open at this point. But it was same things I was anticipating for the market bullish case scenario, all of those high bearish case scenario, all of those lows. And it was very sloppy, very choppy. At this point, it was very slow, very choppy, and I went to two trades. I don't know why this now it's structuring now. We took some trades at this point, and after the opening, we buy at here. It was very small trade market, was very choppy, very sloppy at this point, and then we close by at 500. We close at what level? We sell or buy? 84 500 to yeah. We close at a stop loss. We stopped out. Yes. So the first trade we took at this point, I was anticipating all of those highs, then continuation toward upward side. Then market went down. We stopped out at this point. At this point again, market invert those levels. We buy at here as well. We was aiming for those highs. I was like aiming for those highs and for the continuation toward upper side, and then we close at this level. Overall, it was very small trades. I took these very small trades. I was just zero point 0.5. I have just very small trades I took, and then overall still positive. Overall, we are still positive. Was positive, and yeah, we end up we lose 14 on this one and 12 now. Uh, just a $2 loss, $1 loss. It was 770. I thought we gained something, but I don't know. So it was very small trades. It was like I was like, you can test that out. But overall, this is what in my mind I was thinking about the whole week. We start this week. We have a balance of 96K, but we end up making up to more of like 400, 4,500, 4,500, $4,500 for yeah, you can say that up till all the way to 170 something like that round about 700 so 4700 you can say. And overall it was a positive week. We do some horrible trades this week. um I don't know, I do not remember really. Have we done any bad trade today? I don't think so. We have done any bad trade today this week. Last week we have done horrible trades. Yeah, we have done one horrible trades. Yeah, we have done one horrible trade at this point. I remember Thursday. Thursday we have done a horrible trade. Yeah, Thursday we done like horrible trades, and then Monday Tuesday was fine. Monday Tuesday we took some good trades. This was on Monday. We sell at this point and close all of those lows. And yep, and this one as well. At this point we sell. We sell at this point as well. And then this could have been a very good short on Tuesday, but we closed at early as well, so this was fine. So overall, this is apart from this one. Overall, we have done all of those like trades, which was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, like what date it was. 14th of April on Monday. How many trades we took altogether? 14. We first trade we took a loss. 14 for yeah first 14 yeah first trade we took loss on Monday, and then we recovered on 14 everything with the yeah we recovered everything. I do not remember like how much. And 15 we took Tuesday a good trade. This was a good trade 15. And 16 16 we did not trade 16. Wednesday we did not trade on Wednesday. Where was I on Wednesday, bro? Yeah, Wednesday I went to a job. Wednesday I went to job. Market was like, yeah. Went to the Prasad and went aggressively. Went to job. I did not trade on Wednesday at all. And yeah, and 17. Yeah, it's 17 as well on Thursday. As well, we took initial trade loss, 10 contract. This one 10 contract loss, and then we took another trade as well, and then this was not a good trade, not a good strategy. I would say that we lost initially, and then the second trade we took, I was already scared too much. I was losing too much, and then at some point I was selling 52 contract. At some point I sold 52 contract. I was like, bro, how can you trade? And every candle market was going up. I was too scared at that time, and then I was like in that close my position. I was like, bro, that's it. Overall, we was positive, but that it was like such a bad trade overall in this first section I've done. Initially, we took loss. It was aggressive entry. We took an aggressive entry, but overall, it was more of like a positive day. But it was not at all a very good trade, not at all a very good execution of levels and all that. Overall, you can say like that. And today, this was bank holiday. Easter is coming up. It's a weekend. Everything will be closed. I have to go to job tomorrow, and then I have to travel. But most of the time, when on these kind of days, everything is empty. There's nobody hardly you see on roads. People like to stay at home with their family, friends, and then yeah, because everybody has a holiday, and then maybe some people travel like me, have to work somewhere. Most of the people go out, chill, enjoy, or yeah, something like that. Most of the, and then yeah, or some of the people just stay at home, which is fine. Like yeah, so mostly on Sundays as well. When I go to the work early in the morning or late in the night as well, it's completely empty. All of those buses, all of the trains. There's no hustle bustle, not people much, not much people, and then uh, can't do anything about that. This is a reality. This system is designed like that. I don't know. Yeah, that's how it is. We can't do anything about that. And we will see how the market will perform on all of those levels or price action. And right now, I don't think there's any time to be in front of the charts. I think it will be irrational to be in front of the charts right now. And um, it you will have you will hallucinate yourself definitely. Hallucination means something which you are perspecting about something which is actually not there, and you will watch about you will have perception of market will go up, but it will not actually go there. So you'll hallucinate yourself if you'll be in front of the chart right now. I think so. Maybe they could be trade. I don't know, but for me, like I have to sleep right now at 10 o'clock. I have to wake up at 5 o'clock, 7 hours sleep. I really want it. I did not. I have not into sleeping properly for many days, like 4 or 5 hours sleeping. So that's how it is going on. Everything is fine from my end. We are learning. We are doing demo trades. And then this is what I was thinking about, bro. You should have to think about Bitcoin only all the time. Your head should be Bitcoin about all the time. And then so there are some times that at some point there was like I'm a man, so I'm single. So a lot of the time do in my mind girls come out. Some another day I met with another woman. So I think about them. I waste time on them. So that's what I was thinking about, bro. Your priorities is these things. You should have to think about these things rather than think about somebody who don't know if you have met or you will met when you will met or all that. You don't need to think about it. You have a time for all that, and the time will tell you. This is the thing. Um, I think I should end the stream. It's very important not to have a myopic perspective or myopic mindset on everything about life, not about trading, like everything. And then when you think like when you take everything in more of like in a sense, not trading, not as a journal, like you have to grow, your mindset is different, and then definitely you think about the trading differently as well, and then you try to be positive as well. It affects your trading as well, definitely. So it all together, everything is linked together, more of like how much you want to grow, and how mental capital you want to put into that, definitely. And then all that we're learning will still will trying our best to achieve something, and then one day we'll achieve something. No views is still no views, it's fine. Can't do anything. I was thinking about to to do something on my YouTube channel. I really want to grow this YouTube channel as well, and my personal as well. And then tomorrow we'll have if market remains sideways, we'll have quite a bit of time to be focus on my YouTube channel, and both of the YouTube channel, and I have to do my research about some of the things. This is what I was thinking about, and all that thing as well. Quite a bit of things going on right now. There's sometimes some element of there's girls in comes into my mind, and then try my best to not to think about them, but still those things keep on coming up in my head, and then this is the thing I really have to work on. We'll see. We'll see how the things will played out, how will the things will go, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we'll see if I'll be at my job. We'll have a time, and then we'll see. I will tell you if we'll go to live, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, maybe on Monday or late night. Okay, I don't know. Like maybe next time, maybe tomorrow, and I will tell you everything on Twitter. Everything will be there. This is just a tweet I've done for the Bitcoin, and on Twitter. If you have not followed me on Twitter, you can follow me over there. Most of the updates I've done, and Twitter is more of like for me, it's a therapy, and I discuss everything myself. What is I'm doing? What should I have to do now? Where I have done mistakes, and then all that. My personal life, my how I'm feeling about everything, like more of like therapy. Journaling, you can say my journaling is usually I do on Twitter and post, and I feel like I have done improvement as well for a little bit from that as well. So we'll see how the things will going to be played out. This is a very boring first section. We cannot watch the first second on 1 minute time frame, and it will be remain boring, I think so. And then we'll see. I'll see you guys maybe next time. Bye.